Okay guys, so here is my makeup collection, well, a part of it, but I have this bookshelf which I think I got from All Modern. I will link this in the description box below. I have to check my history, but as you guys can see on the bottom, I have my books, then I have my face masks, like this whole thing is face masks, then I have my lipsticks, I have perfumes, I have my little Ganesh, which I love so much. My mom actually gave this to me when I got married, so it's like super special to me. But then I have my what is this, setting sprays, and then up here I have lip liners, perfumes, body lotions. We're gonna declutter this guy here. All of this right here is just my facial mists, and no one needs this many, so let's go ahead and declutter. I'm gonna keep this Works one because I want to try that. Gonna keep this Wander Beauty one because I really want to use that up. I have the e.l.f. one, I have the Eve one, which this one's really nice. The e.l.f. one is really nice as well. Love my MAC Fix Pluses. Like, there's no way I can get rid of these. Next up we have some Cover FX ones. I have the High Performance and then the Dewy. I don't need both, so I think I'm only gonna hold on to the Dewy one and get rid of the High Performance one. Then we have this Erin Rose Water, which I'm gonna put this one and this one in my fridge so that like I can use it on the go, especially on like really hot days. I also have this one from Flower Beauty, which is a hydrating setting spray. Of course, I'm gonna keep that one. I have this Biossance one, which I've been trying to try more products from this brand, so I'm gonna hold on to this. I love my Pixie facial mist. They are some of my favorites. If you guys haven't tried them, I highly encourage you guys to try them. They're so good. I also have this one from Garnier. Love this one. I have this Renawat Jasmine Hydrating Tonic, which I'm actually gonna move this out of here and keep it in my like face toners pile. Also, the Fresh Toner I'm gonna put aside because this is a toner, not really a facial mist, so this is gonna go in like my true like toner pile. The Vlada and Smashbox Petal Metal Shimmer Spray, and honestly I don't remember my thoughts on this. Like, I don't even remember ever using it. Let's see. Okay, this could be kind of nice for the body. I don't know if I would really necessarily use this on my face, although it is very subtle. Like, you can't really even see the sheen. Okay, I can't get rid of this. The packaging is just so pretty. Like, look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. We're saving it. I also have this one from Botanics, which, to be honest, I've never tried this. But because I haven't tried this, I have to save it to then make up my mind on this. So I will hold on to this. I have two of the Smashbox, and I believe this was in collaboration with Nicole Concealio. These are so pretty, you guys, and they smell really nice, and I love the Smashbox Photo Finish sprays. So, oh my gosh, like, I don't need both, you guys, but I'm gonna hold on to them. But I don't need them, but I'm gonna hold on to them. I'm actually gonna get rid of this Urban Decay All Nighter, even though I freaking love it so much. But this I've had for like years now, not just like a year or two, but like a really long time. So this has probably gotten bad, and I do have a brand new one from them. So I'm gonna get rid of this, but I absolutely adore this thing. It's amazing. I have two setting sprays from NYX, Dewy and Matte. I don't need both. I'm gonna get rid of the matte, keep the dewy because I love dewy anything. I also have this one from CoverGirl. To be honest, I don't remember my thoughts on this. I really don't remember my thoughts on this. So for now, I'm just gonna, let me just hold on to this, you guys. I feel like I would use it in a video, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. Am I being like a hoarder right now? I think I am. Okay, anyway, this is the NYX First Base Primer Spray, which I honestly don't even remember ever using this or even owning it. So if I don't remember it, I'm gonna get rid of it because, like I said, I just don't even remember ever owning this thing, so there's no point of keeping that. I also have the Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. I don't like my skin to be matte, so for that reason, I'm gonna get rid of this. I also have the Ulla Hendrickson Pure Nature Facial Water. I forgot that I had it, so I'm gonna hold on to this for sure. But now we are on to this side, and to be honest with you guys, I've already gone through all of my perfumes a few months ago, and I will be keeping all of these. So I have some from Fresh, Marc Jacobs. This is Carolina Herrera, literally one of my favorite perfumes ever. Elizabeth and James, which I love. I have this one from, I believe, Lancome, more Lancome. And then I also have some other favorites in the back. So I am gonna be saving all of these perfumes, but let me just quickly put them in boxes. Okay, so in this shelf here, I have like a whole bunch of randomness, but I have mostly things like body oils, body creams, all that good stuff. And to be honest with you, I do go through this stuff fairly quickly. And then on this side, which you guys probably can't see, but this side right here, I have all of my eye pencils and lip pencils. So I will tackle that in just one second. Let's start off right over here first. This is one of my favorite body oils ever. This is from Estee Lauder. This is gorgeous. It's so pretty. I also have this one, which I recently got. So gorgeous, but to be honest with you, I haven't even had a chance to try this out. So I'm definitely keeping that. I have the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil, which I love. And I like to use that to like, it sounds kind of weird, but like to clean my ears and stuff. It works really well. I also have this one from Nuxe, this body oil. I kind of forgot about this, but I will hold on to this because I do like how it looks. As you guys can tell, I do love my like body glows, body oils. I have another one from Kopari. Anyway, back here I have some other body lotions. Everything I am keeping because I do use these a lot and I absolutely love them. Okay guys, so here are all of my eye pencils and lip pencils, and to be honest with you, I don't use most of these. So I'm gonna just go ahead and declutter them. I'm not really gonna like tell you guys about each and individual ones. You guys will just like see it as I fast forward, and of course I will show you guys which ones I end up with. So let's declutter these together. Okay fam, so 10 minutes, maybe like 15 minutes, and a lot of swatches later, here are all of my lip pencils. I am keeping these ones right here, and I'm getting rid of all of these ones here. Okay, now let's tackle these bad boys right here. All of my eye pencils, and wow, there's a lot. Let's get right to work. Alright fam, so this is what I am keeping. Just keeping these black brown pencils right here. These are all my colorful ones, and these are all of my lip pencils. Getting rid of all of these. Okay, we have 2 shelves completely clean. Now let's move on to this guy down here. This entire shelf, to be honest, is like good to go because I did organize this a few weeks ago. So this is basically broken down by color, or actually this drawer is like all of my lip balms. Then this is all of my like teeth whitening stuff. Then this is like random like blue, purple lipsticks, which I don't know when I will ever use these. So maybe I need to go through this drawer really quick. Then we have my red lipsticks, pink lipsticks, like light pink lipsticks. And then here are all my dark lipsticks. Up here, I also have more nude lipsticks. You guys know I love my nude lipsticks. I have more lipsticks. Oh my gosh, this is actually all nudes up here as well, I think. And then we do have some Tarte lipsticks there. And then these are more lipsticks broken down by brands. And then down here, I do have some face creams as well. So I'm gonna put those where those belong and quickly pack all of this up. Oh my gosh, you guys, 3 shelves are done. This feels amazing. Now I just have the books left, and then I have all of this, and these are just all of my face masks, which is insane. Like, why do I have this many face masks? And I feel like they're not very well organized. I kind of forget which masks I have. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this guy out. This is all of my sheet masks. So the first mask I have is the Thirsty Glow from Glam Glow. I really like this mask. Then we have the Believe the True Tint Cure mask. I don't even remember really using this. I'm gonna have to try this out before I make my decision. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. Love this. This is awesome. Then we have the Oskia London. I do really like this one as well, so I'm gonna hold on to that. Then I have the Vitamin Nectar from Fresh. Love Fresh mask, so for sure that's gonna stay. Okay, next up we have the Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Purifying Black Mask. I don't remember if I like this or not, so I'm gonna put this aside, try it out, then make my decision. This is the Bare Minerals Dirty Detox Skin Glowing and Refining Mud Mask. This is really nice, but it's very messy, so you have to like make sure you just use this like in the shower. I have the Fresh Honey Mask, another really good one from Fresh. I also have the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask. This is one of my all-time favorite masks, you guys. This is so good on days where my skin just like needs that extra love and like that extra detox. I love this. It's so good. I also have the Ola Hendrickson Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I do like this, but you have to be like really careful with using it because it gets really messy really fast. Then we have the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. Love, 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 love this one. This is actually very similar to the Philosophy one, and I really, really like this. Ooh, another one of my favorites, you guys. This is the Zoe Skin Health Sulfur Mask. If you have a breakout, this is a really, really good mask to use. Another favorite chemical exfoliant is the Ordinary AHA 30%, BHA 2%. I talk about this all the time. This is one of my holy grail masks. If you get one like face peel or face mask from this entire video, get this one. This one is life-changing. Alright guys, I don't know why it's so dark here, but all of these masks here I have yet to try. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them away, and I will be trying them in my new apartment. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly pack all of these guys. Oh my gosh, everything has been cleared up from this bookshelf. Wow, this feels so weird, but I packed everything. It only took like 3 boxes, big boxes, but everything has been packed and ready to go.